Welcome to Newbie solution. Today, a new feature set which is customized. It is not by default enabled into the Vicidial, but we have already achieved this feature set which is called Sticky Agent. The maximum paid call center software has this feature set, and now we are thinking that in a small charge we can give you this feature set to your Vicidial. So let me first tell you about the sticky agent. What is the sticky agent and how does the sticky agents benefit to your call center or your business? So there are a lot of arrays offers for this feature, the call centers, and one of the key is the sticky agent. And let me tell you what is the sticky agent actually. It is a one type of call routing features available in the contact center software. This feature routes a call of a customer to the same agent every time. It means the customer gets connected to the same agent every time he seeks for the support or maybe for the sale. Now I'm going to tell you some of the key which is the benefit for your business prospect. So the first thing is the customer will be happy whenever you are routing to the same agent he or she has already spoken. The first benefit of the using this feature of the contact center is that it can help to keep customer happy as customer gets connected to the same agent. It result in time saver for client because they don't have to tell the history again and again to a new agent. Then increasing the agent productivity. So agent usually handles multiple calls every day, so it is often tough for them to remember all the details. But along with the sticky agent, the solutions will have many more interesting features to help agents. For example, customer profiles will show all the conversation of the customer with the contact center via any mode of the communication if a call center uses the omnichannel contact center solutions. This helps agent to recall the customer case quickly. The disposition feature is also available here, but the sticky agent is one of the most important thing which can reduce your time, increase your productivity, increase your sale also. So I think this is very good one of the feature set which is you should actually include your Vicidial if you are finding some difficulties to routing to the same agent, because maybe the customer may calls you have the 5 agent and the customer has already spoken to A agent. Then A agent may be available or maybe the waiting time is high due to it depends upon the algorithm you have set into the campaign. The call routed to the P agent. Now P agent does not know about the requirement of the customer, might be the issue of the customer. It always should better if A agent will handle the same customer. But let's first show you some real-time screen, and I think it will be easy to understand the feature set.
Here's the real-time report page of Vicidial. Before moving on to the details of the things that are mentioned over here, I would say the general call routing algorithm we are using in this particular setup is basically the longest wait time, meaning the agent that is waiting for the longest time or being idle the longest time among multiple other agents will get the call first. But the feature that we are talking about, that is sticky agent, will overrule it if required. That is, even if there is an agent which is idle, the call would still connect with that agent with whom the customer had a conversation. Now in this particular page, you can see that there are around 7 agents that are logged in. Please focus on the name Anisha Pandey highlighted in blue. This is the agent through which we will show the demo of this particular feature, sticky agent. So currently you can see Anisha Pandey is idle. There is no customer phone that is being attached or like she's having a conversation with, and for privacy reason we are hiding the customer phone numbers. So in some time she will get connected with a number. So you can see here Anisha Pandey is connected with a number that begins with 8 and ends with 0, and automatically it gets disconnected. Now in the second instance, the same number will be connected with Anisha Pandey again, which will basically signify that the sticky agent feature is working, and other agents will also be available, but it will only connect with Anisha Pandey. So you can see here Anisha Pandey is available again. There are other callers also available, but the number that was already connected and got disconnected will again connect with only Anisha Pandey. Campaign that is you're seeing is hotline, but we have configured another campaign only for this particular purpose. You can see here it is again connected with the same number that begins with 8 and ends with 0. The campaign name is Agent Direct, Single Agent Direct Queue, which basically signifies that the feature is working. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and share our video and reach out to us in case of any queries. Thank you.